How to write powerful copy that turns into sales for your business. Hi everyone and welcome to Inventicity, the channel where we combine inventiveness with felicity. How to write powerful copy. An easy method to write powerful copy that turns into sales for your business is to first clearly talk about your customers' problems, pain points. Then explain how you can solve them and talk about what your customers' lives will be like when their problems have been solved by your product. But how do you find out what problems your customers and potential customers have? And how do you talk about your customers' problems in a welcoming and encouraging way? How to find your customers' and audience's pain points. An unbeatable method for finding out the pain points, problems of your customers and potential customers is to simply ask them. Post a nice personalized question form on your website and reward with a freebie. This will benefit both you and the customer. You can also map potential customers' problems by asking questions on social media, for example in Facebook groups. Copywriting and the buyer's journey. Carefully map out the entire customer journey and what different pain points, problems your products solve for your customers. Good knowledge of what problems your customers have in common and how you solve them is the key ingredient in your product development and marketing. Pain points and how you can address them in your copywriting. 1. Lack of time. 2. Lack of knowledge. 3. Lack of confidence. These are common pain points for new business owners. Lack of time. How can you address this problem in your copywriting? Well, explain how the tools or software solutions or virtual assistants, etc. you are offering will save your customers time and effort so that they can focus on more profitable tasks and spend more time with family and friends. Another common pain point among new business owners is lack of knowledge. And how can you solve this and how can you address this in your copywriting? Explain how the courses or the education, etc. you are offering will give your customers exactly the skills and knowledge they need so that they quickly can solve their problems. Another common problem among new business owners and entrepreneurs is lack of confidence. How can you solve this and how can you address this problem, this pain point in your copywriting? Well, explain how the coaching or education, etc. you are offering will provide your customers with the self-confidence and knowledge they need so that they quickly can solve their problems. That's in short my take on how to write powerful copy that turns into sales. I will soon publish more articles and videos on this topic. So see you in the next video. Bye!